Hi everyone, enrich your vocabulary daily with Aamya Sachdeva. Word of today is boisterous. In this video, you will learn its meaning, synonyms, and example sentences. So let's get started. The word boisterous means noisy, energetic, and playful. Boisterous can refer to anything which is lively and animated, sometimes to the point of being slightly uncontrollable. Synonyms of this word are clamorous, bouncy, spirited, and frisky. Let us now see how this word is used in different sentences. Number 1. The child was very boisterous at home, but was on his best behavior at school. Number 2. Puppies can be quite boisterous at first, but they can become good family pets with the right amount of training, exercise, and play. Next sentence, around 6 o'clock in the evening, the wind became very boisterous. This word boisterous can have a negative connotation when it is used to describe an unruly person who causes a lot of trouble and noise. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning. Kindly like, share and follow this channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Waiting for your valuable comment and stay blessed.